ko. Ayaw nga. Thank you po, Ma'am Perla Chan. Ayan. Thank you po, Ma'am Jo Pearl. Iligan City. Hindi ka marunong magtagalog? Ayan. 7 viewers. Ay, part. Ampat. It's okay. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning, mega love shout out. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Sa 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, everyone. Please like our live, guys. Thank you, Ma'am Jopper. Ma'am Jopper, thank you so much sa pagpunta sa aking live. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Jopper. 6 viewers, mega love shout out. 6 like, yes. 6, already 5. Siyambay lang, bakim. Okay, sige lang, Ma'am Jopper. Thank you po sa pagtambay, Ma'am Jopper. Miggy, hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog. 8 viewers, mega love shoutout, guys. Please, guys, connect to Perla Chan channel, guys. Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog, Miggy Shorts. Hello, Buds Bondra. You have a bad internet. Huh? No, I'm not. 8 viewers, mega love shout out. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Is Brooking? No, I'm not. I'm already, our net is okay. 8 viewers, but now it's better. Oh, dear. 8 viewers, mega love shout out. Now it's better. Okay. Miggy Short. Thank you. Hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog. Eight viewer, yes. Hindi ka marunong. It's not speak Tagalog, ha? Oh. You learn how to speak our language, Miggy. Guapa desde España. You're from, I know, I remember you, Marcos. You here in my live last, ano ba yung kahapon? Last Monday. Di ba? Thank you, Marcos. 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out, everyone. Yeah, 7 viewers, mega love shout out. Tachadad Lagwada. I speak Bisaya. I don't speak Bisaya. I speak Tagalog only and English if you want. Yeah, wait lang. I can. Hello from Spain, Marcos. Hello. I speak. That's the money. No. Bad Bruda. I'm not for the money. I want to monetize here in White Sea. Yan. Bisaya. Miggy Soria. Thank you, Miggy and Bad Borda. Miggy Short, thank you. Marcos, Perla Chan channel, thank you. Go, you English na. You speak English to understand. Yeah.